What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger of a video. Here we have the Turbo Street Truck's new frame. Here how it is right now. Here, let me show you guys how it is. We have this thing fully stripped, and yeah, we got a new motor right here that we're gonna be building on the side. It is an LY6, I believe. Should say around here. I don't know where it says. It's a 6.0 though. But here we have the new frame. We got the work done to it. We'll start off with the rear. So here we have the shock relocation. We got the Viking performing shocks, dual adjustable. Then we have the diff, obviously. Here we have the C notch done from Twisted Metal Works. Really nice welds. And then over here we have the space so we can put the new fuel cell in it. Once that comes in, I think we're picking that up on Monday or Tuesday. Then over here towards the front, we have the coilover setup that we got set up on it to weld on kit. And then we have some new upper control arms. We got a car honking. But yeah, we got the new control arms in. We got the bottom control arms that we already had. What else we got to say? But yeah, these are also adjustable. The frame's fully stripped. We're gonna be painting that in the black with the steelite cans. What else? We do have a new diff cover on the way from Moser Engineering, because that one's all janky, so we want it to look clean. Cow track brackets over there as well. The 2-inch or whatever, the drop spindles, whatever. I don't know much about these trucks, but yeah, hopefully by next weekend the truck's gonna be fully stripped so we can remove the cab and swap it over. We just got to take the engine out and then a few lines to swap it over there as well. But we're getting there. It's almost done. I think tomorrow he's gonna start the paint process. But yeah, we got the welds right here, 4 stars in the front. This thing's gonna come out harder, kicking ass. Hopefully we get take it to the strip or get some street runs on it. But yeah, check out these welds. All the work was done by Twisted Metal Works. He got it done in a day, so shout out to him. I'll put his @ right here. Hit him up for all your needs. What else we got going on over here? I think that's pretty much it for the main part. I don't think we have anything else coming in for it or that we need to do to it besides the fuel cell. I'll probably cut this video until like once we get the fuel cell in, so I can show you guys how it looks. But yeah, right now he's making the fuel cell. I know he ran out of materials, so we're gonna be picking it up next week. But yeah, it looks pretty hard. I think there was a bar here that I got, yeah, right here, fully cut off to fit it in there. Then obviously we got the 15-inch conversion that we already had on it previously. I think we also need to do the gears, the true track gears. That's what's also left on it. And then obviously get the truck tuned and put the new transmission in. Those are the last few things, and then this thing will be hooking and booking. But yeah, it's coming out along. I'm gonna probably cut the video right now, show you guys like the rest of the updates on the next couple days. But so far how it's coming out, it's coming out pretty clean. It's gonna be really good. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple days. All right guys, been a couple days, and I did say, nah, it's not even a couple days, bro. It's been like a whole week. But we got the fuel cell right here. It's looking clean. Like I said, I think I said, it's from Twisted Metal Works. He did the all the work on the truck, as in like the C notch, the shock relocation kit, and then the coilovers up front, the welding kit, and then making the space for the fuel cell. What else did he do? I think that's all he did. That's all the work he did on the frame itself. We did just set up an appointment to send our diff out to get the gears in, so that should be good. Also, I was saying that I was gonna order the Moser Engineering diff cover. That's on the way as well. I just placed the order last night, so hopefully that comes in with the next couple of days. what else is left to do on it. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Take the engine out over here, and then take the frame out, to fully finish stripping it out, and then it's ready. But yeah, we're gonna be doing the black steel it. We're gonna coat the whole thing in black steel it, because especially since like the front still needs a little bit of work, as in like since it has like the HD front end swap, we had to like cut and re-weld some brackets. So fun right there. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully this truck's finished by end of the year, beginning of next year. So we'll see how that goes. I think we'll get it done, or very close to completion. And after that, we'll just need a tune. That's literally all it needs now. We do have the new cross member bar. Let me go grab that real quick. So here's the new cross member bar, way much more nicer, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's all we have left for discussion on this video. I don't think there's anything else. I will post like a clip of how the frame looked before, like before all the work, and then I also recorded a quick clip on the fuel cell, how it looked in here. We've mocked it up right now. But we took it out. We're gonna go put it away in storage, since as you can see we just started taking it all apart so we could get it ready for paint, and send the diff off for the re-gearing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Comment down below if you guys are excited for this truck. Per usual, have a good one, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.